Hey there, I'm Tyler with Texas Sportfishing. We just got our brand new Tidewater 3100 Carolina Bay in. This 3100 is finished in the Onyx edition. We're going to see some of the Onyx features here shortly, but first let's go take a look at the horsepower. On this boat we equipped it with twin 400 V10 Mercury XL V10 Verados. It'll push this boat about 75, 76 miles an hour. Single jack plate, dual fiberglass swim platforms with stainless ladders. You got the zip wake, automatic trim tabs, and underwater lights. You can see some of this Onyx Edition hardware right here. Tidewater logoed handrail, blacked out rub rail, Onyx emblem here, blacked out emblem, Tidewater. Let's jump up in the boat, check out some of the awesome features inside. Inside the beautiful 3100 Onyx Edition Carolina Bay, we have the all-new, all-white interior with black stitching, all magnetic seat cushions. It's an amazing option. You're done breaking your fingers on all the snaps. An awesome iQuest Minn Kota trolling motor, 115 pound, 75 inch. We also put on the Psionics Nightwave night vision camera, along with the Onyx Edition 24 Phantom radome, windshield wiper, full glass enclosure, automatic vent for these hot summer days. Got two 10-inch JL M6 subwoofers, blacked out, two bow-seated M6 7.7-inch JL speakers. Plenty more speakers throughout the boat. This boat rocks on the water. You can hear it from a mile away. Up here we also got the blacked out Edson steering wheel, twin 12-inch MFD Garmin GPS maps. Got the acrylic overhead box with the Garmin 215 AIS VHF. We have the ever so popular Mercury Skyhook joystick for your autopilot, spot lock, docking features, all the necessities. Super deluxe leaning post, drop down bolsters, armrests, the works. Back here we also got the rear facing mezzanine seat with slide out cooler. Awesome to add more seating. Back here you have cup holders right here with the faux granite countertops. 4-spot flip up rear jump seats. Awesome bilge access, which I'll show you here. Plenty room. Big guys like myself can get in there, change out pumps, fix pumps, check anything down there. It's all super accessible. We also have the rear-facing Razor Lumitech light bars. This boat is now in stock. It is going online today. It is a beautiful boat, top-of-line boat. Come check us out at Texas Sportfishing. We'll look forward to seeing you soon.